Look at the picture and write the word. First picture is lip. L E P lip. D O G dog. S A N sun. P I N pin. T A N tan. H A T hat. F A N fan. K A P cup. B A D bed. P A T pot.